Well, you know, we're kind of environmentalists here. We're taking raw sewage that every city, everyone has raw sewage, and we're treating it to a point where it's safe that it can be put back into the lake. It's all being recirculated. Eventually, people are drinking the water that, if you think about it, they're drinking the water. That water is being used. It's being treated at the water treatment plant. So, I mean, this is, you know, years ago, you know, you think in the 70s, I'm old enough, I remember the lakes, talk about the lakes on fire, the river on fire in the city of Cleveland. And I lived in Cleveland at the time. I remember pollution was just horrible. I mean, there was debris on the lake and everything. You look now, everything looks, I mean, it looks a lot better. Such a huge difference. And I like to think that, you know, we take part in that. Our biological process is trickling filter, which means that there's actual media that the wastewater drops onto, and as it drops onto, there's organisms alive on the media, and what happens is it breaks down the wastewater. When I got here in 2004, I was actually just reacting to all the problems that were going on. Oh. And over the last several years, probably 4 or 5 years, I've done some proactive mixed in. So that's why, you know, we're up to probably over $10 million in just capital improvement. There's probably more on a smaller scale of operation and maintenance that's been done here at the plant. So those are the types of things, you know, sure, I'm rebuilding the plant and all the mechanical issues that have gone bad, but there's an environmental issue with all the wastewater coming through that you're trying to clean up as best you can and supply the good effluent. Because like I said, it's all recyclable.